In this video, we'll look at how to find the equation of the tangent line. That is, we don't want the equation of the tangent, we're going to use that, but what we want is the equation of the tangent line, that is a line tangent to this curve. The curve we're given is f of x equals 3x to the power 3 minus 4x, and we're asked to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 2. So, the first thing we're going to want is a point. You can actually get it later if you so choose, but let's get it now. That is, we want a point that's on the original equation and on the tangent. Well, since we're asked to find the tangent at x equals 2, it'd be good to find the point at x equals 2. That is, let's see what y is when x equals 2. Get that by subbing in 2 into the f of x equation, and you get 3 times 8 minus 8. 3 times 8 is just 24. 24 take away 8, 16. So now we have a point on both the line and the tangent, and that point is 2, 16. That's going to kind of come in handy in a moment. Back to the original equation. We're trying to find the equation of the tangent line to this equation, so we need to find the derivative. That is the general equation of the tangent. And we do that by bringing the exponent down and multiplying it by the coefficient. We get 9, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. And do the same with 4x. In this case, negative 4x, so we put negative 4, bring the exponent down, it's just 1, so negative 4 times 1, and then subtract 1 from the exponent 1 on x, we get no more x's. So here's the derivative, or the general tangents, to this equation. But we don't want just this, we want the equation of the tangent line. So we want to find out not just what the derivative is, but what's the slope of the tangent at 2. And that's what we're asked for. In other words, what's the slope we're going to use? It's just going to be the derivative of the tangent at 2, which is just 9 times 2 squared minus 4, which is 9 times 4 minus 4. 9 times 4 is 36, take away 4, 32. So, now we know the slope at 2, when we subbed in 2, the slope of this line is just going to be 32. How does that help us? Well, we know the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. That's what we're looking for, the equation of the tangent line at x equals 2. And we know the slope now of that tangent line, we just found it, it's 32. But we're missing this b, the y-intercept. How do we get the b? That was the whole point of finding this point over here. Is so now we can sub in this point. The y is 16 and the x is 2. And now we can solve for b. We get 16 equals 32 times 2, which is 64. I'll come up over here. And how do I get b by itself? Subtract 64 from both sides, and I get b equals. And if you want, with any of the calculations, including this one, you can take your calculator. 16 take away 64 is negative 48. So, the equation of the tangent to f of x, the function, at x equals 2, is y equals our slope, 32, minus 48, our y-intercept. And now we have an equation of the tangent to the function. That's our tangent line.